Good morning, children. I am your English teacher, Binod Kumar Yadav. Today, you are also welcome in online class of English Reader. I shall teach you today the story of amazing animals and birds. As you know, there are several amazing animals and birds around us. Let us have a look at some of them. Number one, bats. Bats are flying mammals. You know, mammals are the birds or animals that feed their milk to their young ones. So, bats do the same. Bats are flying mammals. They sleep during the day, but at night they feed. Except these, they sleep hanging upside down. Next, birds are owls. Like bats, owls sleep during the day and hunt for food at night. Owls have large eyes, and with their large eyes, they can see extremely well at night. Number third, the mother kangaroo carries its baby. The baby of kangaroo is called Joy. It carries its baby in a pouch and feeds it milk. With it feeds it with milk. Number 4, the dwarf goby. The dwarf goby is the smallest fish. Its length is only 1 centimeter long. It is no longer than your fingernail. It is about 1 centimeter long. Number 5, the whale shark is the biggest fish. It, its length is a little longer than a railway goods carriage. Number 6, water peacock. It is a bird called the water peacock. It's the insect. that disturb crocodiles. So, crocodiles do not disturb these birds. The bird gets an easy meal and the crocodile becomes more comfortable. Therefore, crocodiles don't harm them. Thank you very much.